Welcome to today's video about the surprising health benefits of eating avocado before bed. In the quiet hours of the night, while the world slumbers, an ancient superfood works its magic. Have you ever wondered what secrets nature holds that we are only now uncovering? What if I told you this creamy green powerhouse could transform your health while you sleep peacefully? Imagine waking up to glowing skin, a sharper mind, and a body brimming with vitality, all thanks to a simple addition to your evening meal. But how? And what are these mystical benefits that have nutritionists and health enthusiasts buzzing? Stay tuned as we uncover the 12 incredible benefits of eating avocado before bed. From science-backed health perks to secrets whispered through the ages, we are diving deep into the heart of this nutrient-dense fruit. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Every piece of information here has been authenticated by a cadre of professional researchers and backed by scientific studies. Now let's dive into the health benefits of nighttime avocado consumption, beginning with the first one. Improved sleep quality. Eating avocado before bed is not just a tasty treat, it is a ticket to dreamland. Avocados are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating our sleep-wake cycles. A study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found that magnesium supplementation significantly improved sleep quality in elderly patients with insomnia. But that is not all. Avocados also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that's a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, our body's natural sleep-inducing hormones. By incorporating avocado into your evening routine, you are essentially giving your body the building blocks it needs for a restful night's sleep. Imagine drifting off to sleep effortlessly and waking up refreshed, all thanks to this creamy green fruit. It is like nature's own sleep aid, working silently through the night to ensure you get the rest you need. 2. Heart health boost. While you sleep, your avocado snack continues to work wonders, particularly for your heart. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind that helps lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that eating one avocado per day as part of a heart-healthy diet can lower LDL cholesterol levels. This is crucial because high LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease. But the heart benefits do not stop there. Avocados are also rich in potassium, even more so than bananas. Adequate potassium intake is associated with lower blood pressure, further reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. 3. Blood sugar regulation. As the night progresses, your avocado snack plays another important role. Blood sugar regulation. Despite their creamy texture, avocados are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. This unique combination helps slow the absorption of other carbohydrates you might have eaten, preventing blood sugar spikes during the night. Another study in the Nutrition Journal found that adding half an avocado to a meal significantly reduced blood insulin levels in overweight adults, indicating better blood sugar control. This is particularly beneficial for those at risk of or managing diabetes. Imagine your body maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the night, allowing for uninterrupted sleep and steady energy levels come morning. It is like having a natural, delicious blood sugar regulator working for you while you rest. 4. Enhanced nutrient absorption. Here is where things get really interesting. Eating avocado before bed does not just benefit you with its own nutrients, it also helps your body absorb nutrients from other foods you have eaten throughout the day. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, which are essential for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that adding avocado or avocado oil to salad significantly increased the absorption of carotenoids, powerful antioxidants that protect against various diseases. So, by having some avocado before bed, you are essentially maximizing the nutritional value of everything else you have eaten. It is like having a nutrient absorption booster working through the night, ensuring your body gets the most out of your diet. Before we continue with more amazing benefits, if you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health insights. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. 5. Skin rejuvenation. While you sleep, your avocado snack goes to work on your skin. Avocados are rich in vitamins C and E, powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals and protect your skin from oxidative damage. These nutrients, combined with the healthy fats in avocados, help maintain skin elasticity and promote a youthful glow. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that a cream containing avocado oil significantly increased skin elasticity and reduced the appearance of fine lines. Imagine waking up to naturally glowing, more youthful-looking skin, all thanks to your bedtime avocado habit. Later in the video, we will discuss some of the best ways to incorporate avocado into your night routine to enjoy these benefits. For now, let's see some other benefits you can enjoy from this creamy fruit. 6. Weight management support. Contrary to what you might think, eating avocado before bed can actually support your weight management goals. Avocados are high in fiber and healthy fats, which promote feelings of fullness and satisfaction. This can help prevent late-night snacking on less healthy options. A study published in Nutrients found that people who regularly consumed avocados had lower body weights and smaller waist circumferences compared to those who did not eat avocados. The researchers suggested that the fiber and monounsaturated fats in avocados may play a role in appetite regulation and weight management. 7. Improved digestive health. As you sleep, your digestive system continues to work, and avocados can lend a helping hand. The high fiber content in avocados, about 14 grams per avocado, promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. A study in the journal Nutrients highlighted the potential prebiotic effects of avocado, suggesting it may support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, stronger immunity, and even better mood. 8. Enhanced brain function. While you rest, your brain is busy consolidating memories and preparing for the next day. Avocados can support this process thanks to their high content of folate and vitamin K, both crucial for cognitive function. Research published in Nutrients suggests that the monounsaturated fats in avocados are associated with better cognitive performance. These healthy fats help maintain the integrity of brain cell membranes, potentially improving communication between brain cells. 9. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, from arthritis to heart disease. Avocados contain compounds that may help combat inflammation while you sleep. A study in the journal Food and Function found that avocado oil can inhibit inflammatory processes in the body. The researchers attributed this effect to the fruit's high content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. 10. Eye health protection. Your eyes work hard all day, and avocados can help protect them even as you sleep. Avocados are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are crucial for eye health. Research published in Nutrients suggests that these compounds accumulate in the retina, where they filter harmful blue light and protect eye tissues from oxidative damage. Regular consumption of foods rich in these antioxidants, like avocados, may reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. 11. Hormone balance. Hormonal balance is crucial for overall health, and avocados may play a role in supporting it. The healthy fats in avocados are precursors to many hormones in the body. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that a diet high in monounsaturated fats, like those found in avocados, can help balance hormone levels, particularly in women. This could potentially lead to more stable moods, better sleep, and improved overall well-being. 12. Liver health support. Remember when we mentioned the liver earlier? Here is the surprising truth. Contrary to what you might have heard, avocados can actually support liver health. The fruit is rich in glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps the liver detoxify harmful substances. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that avocado oil can help reduce liver damage. The researchers attributed this protective effect to the fruit's high content of antioxidants and healthy fats. So, how can you incorporate avocado into your bedtime routine? It is simple. Try adding half an avocado to your evening meal or enjoy a small serving as a late-night snack. Remember, moderation is key. While avocados are incredibly nutritious, they are also calorie-dense. As our journey through the night with this green superfood comes to a close, it is clear that avocados are more than just a trendy toast topping. They are a nutritional powerhouse, working silently through the night to enhance your health in myriad ways. We have unveiled its power to improve sleep, boost heart health, regulate blood sugar, and so much more, all while you rest in the quiet of the night. But the true magic of avocados is not just in their impressive nutrient profile. It is in the moments you choose to nourish your body mindfully, to care deeply for your health, even as you prepare for rest. As you incorporate this creamy green fruit into your nightly ritual, remember you are not just following a trend. You are embracing a tradition of holistic health, supported by scientific research and time-tested wisdom. If you found value in this ancient superfood's modern applications, like, share, and subscribe for more insights into nature's health treasures. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Until next time, cherish the night's quietude, let wellness be your guide, and may your dreams be as sweet as a perfectly ripe avocado. Sweet dreams, and even sweeter awakenings.